Hi everyone, after long rides when we touch our car this way, like getting out of the car directly and immediately touching the car's metal, we usually get shocked. And also in long rides we also feel fatigue. This happens because when you get out of the car after a long drive, we and the car seats both get charged. And when you touch the metal body soon, our charge will quickly leave into the car's metal and you feel the shock. So, to get rid of this, we should ground our car. Grounding is nothing but our car's metal should touch to the ground. But how can it be possible? Here comes the earth belt, which is static elimination ground wire strap which can connect to car's metal and the ground. I have bought this online. I have provided a link in the description below. This earth belt static elimination ground wire strap helps prevent static electricity in the car with the grounding on the road. It prevents the unpleasant shock caused by the potential differences in static electricity when touching the car body or other areas. It also has rectangular reflector decorate in the middle strap which will act as indication of the vehicle. It is safe and convenient for daily use. It is made of metal and it has size of 32.5 centimeters. This strap has to be installed to the car's metal body and I have installed it at the center of the exhaust pipe and exhaust pipe is directly connected to the car's metal. You can either connect at the center or at the end of the exhaust. So this is the whole purpose of using this anti-static strap or grounding strap, the earth belt. So sometimes people would have seen the same strap and they may ask you, hey, something is dragging your car or something is just holding. So you can directly say them, hey, it's nothing but an grounding strap and it will prevent me from fatigue and also it keeps my car always grounded to the earth. You can say them that it's always make you grounded with the earth and it avoids electric shock. I have also one other bonus information for you. Whenever you get out of the car, touch the metal body first so that the charge continuously flow into the metal body and then step on the ground can avoid shock. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon for more latest updates. Thank you.